Hello, everyone. Again, Monday of live stream. I know that last time the audio was so bad, so multiple people messaged me related about it. I hope that this one is better. I changed microphones and I also did a few tests before starting live stream, so I hope that that has been resolved by now. If not, please let me know so I can keep kind of testing different configurations and maybe if I need to change to a different streaming platform. Today, I want to review one of the things that is currently happening on the app, which is now the application is getting more traffic from the web, but I am not getting a lot of signups. And I think it's because the value proposition is not exactly what people is looking for. And now that I am a daily user of the platform, I am not also getting that value proposition. When I started Agentic Users, I wanted to make this idea of agents that do work for you towards the agentic web. So once again, quick resume of the agentic web. The agentic web is this place where AI agents go and do things for you. They have their own identity and they're basically an AI employee or a coworker that helps you to do more. So that's the premise. But while I was doing the research, building the product, I decided to go with the lead of AI employees. There are other companies that are doing this, and I think it's a very good idea overall, but it only applies for, or mostly applies for companies. Uh, when I started also Agentic Users, my idea was to target it directly to solopreneurs or intrapreneurs that are doing business like operations, even though they do not own a company. But I think now, based on the traffic that I'm getting, it is confused or not very clear that the application helps you to do more and use the AI agents, AI assistant, and AI managers on the platform, even if you don't have a business. So I want to take this time and during this live stream, share kind of the landing page that I currently have and note some of the things that I think I'm going to change, ideas, and more. And I would love to have feedback from you regarding this topic. Okay, I'm going to start sharing my screen and we can go over this thing. Again, thank you for everyone that is kind of joining and sharing their feedback. Also have a very good news to share about listing kind of application where I listed Agentic Users, and Agentic Users won this week the kind of first place of both. So I'm going to share also that. If you want to know, I will share also a link about this platform too. And let's see. Let's go share screen. Share screen, screen two. This is it. So this is the landing page of Agentic Users. I think it's appealing overall, but and I also think it clearly explains the product. Like we have agents, we have managers, we have assistants. There is this cool demo right here that showcase how the application behaves, like the things that you can do there, how does it look, and more. Free trial, all those things that the application is able to do and have options for. But the hero section, this section at the top, it's where I am having conflicts with. And I think the kind of users online that are arriving at the landing page are also having issues. Because, for example, on the left side, we have build your business with AI, and this is where someone without the business is probably just looking at this and saying, this is not for me. But I don't think it's not for them, but I am not clearly transferring why. I am thinking, I'm doing research on this idea of self-actualization, and it's something that it resonates a lot with me because I'm always been kind of reading news or trying to learn, test stuff, like test new products and more. And that part of always keep trying different things and new things, I think it's core for anyone that is working right now. I saw a video on YouTube related about this, uh, of how, how our current kind of generation, the issue or challenge that we're facing is constant need of self-actualization. We see it in the job market, we see it in our personal lives. We have to be connected with the things that are happening around us. If not, we are, I don't know, being left out. No one wants that. And I think agentic users and the way that I build the platform, it's a very good kind of option to bypass this, like battle the self-actualization challenges that we have. So that's one of the things that I want to change. I want to change this build your business with AI towards more this like keep self-actualizing, like keep learning, but also that you can do more. And that's where it's a little bit of conflict, changing the approach here, because the AI employees, the AI agents that I have built on the platform are useful in that way too. Like if you want to have a customer service agent, you build it with agentic users, and it's not a self-actualization tool in any way. If you code it or not code it, if you configure the agent like that, but in the same way, similar to what we did last time for the let me put it like this, yes, for the news agent that is going and do research for me so I can do the newsletter. That's a self-actualization task. Like it's something that the agent is doing for me as part of a job, but I also read these news, and with them I self-actualize. So that's where I have a little bit of challenge and dilemma of how am I going to brand this on the hero section, because based on the analytics, people are arriving to the website, they are scrolling, but they do not sign up. And that's the thing that I want to challenge and change and test to see how can be improved. Any comment will be amazing on the landing page. If you are currently on the live stream, go to Agentic Users, comment here on YouTube, on or LinkedIn. What are the things that you like, you don't like about the landing page, or maybe are confusing? There are a few things more, slightly changes that I want to also update soon. And one of them is here in the manager's card, I'm specifying the RAG powered insights. And RAG is technical. Sorry for that. The screen stopped sharing. Sometimes happens to me. There you go. Yeah. Again. So for the managers, I am using this technical term RAG, is retrieval augmented generation. But someone that is not into the tech business or tech savvy want to understand this. So I'm just probably just going to change it to knowledge focus or knowledge base powered insights. And what else? Besides that, I think it's very clear what agentic users is for, but I may be biased. Okay, now let's go to a platform and see. Okay, before that, I want to show you the kind of contest that I won, agentic users won, and is startup rank. So I found this website on Reddit, and I kind of listed agentic users last week, and it's very cool. I'm actually going to I don't know, put this link on the LinkedIn post. And here is it. Like last week, I completed from December 29 to yesterday, and Agentic Users won. Thank you for everyone that voted for Agentic Users. It's very cool to see that it's getting some kind of adoption and good comments overall. So go and see it. This small win, but huge on the long run. And also to thank you to Sebastian, the kind of founder of Startup Ranked, to reach out to me on Reddit. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to go today to the website itself. Maybe I will. Then let me in a second. I'm going to see what do I have there. Okay, maybe we can go very fast to see what were the last findings of the agent that is doing research for me. So this is one of the main ways that I now consume content related to news. And I'm thinking about expanding this to other topics, not only like tech, but also things for my personal kind of life. I don't know what that's, I am currently living on Toronto, here in Canada, and I am a big fan of eating at restaurants. So I probably just built like an agent that is going to do online research for me to find kind of the trendiest places that are most likely to be kind of that I like them. So similar to Google Trends in some way, but when you're doing it in, I don't know, OpenTable and more, but I wanted to check how well it performs here on Agentic Users. I plan to do that. But latest news, and this is also kind of my perspective on what's going to happen this 2026. Happy New Year to everyone also. It's the application layer year. So now the models, I have to say, like AI models are very good. So now we're going into the application layer where we need to build all these apps, use all this technology to actually generate value for users, and also expand the user base of AI, not only to technical people, also to everyday persona. And yeah, I will appreciate anyone that is sharing either via DM or here on the comments any feedback related about the landing page. I think, and I'm almost sure, doing a slightly changes on it, it will benefit a lot. So anyone that has any feedback, please let me know. Besides that, again, Happy New Year to everyone. This is the year where we need to build a lot of things, and for sure, use the latest technologies to do it with AI, without AI, and always keep building. And any feedback from Agentic Users, please let me know again and sign up. Feel free to sign up. Don't be afraid. It's completely free at the start. You get 25 credits, and 25 credits is a lot. The APIs and everything on my end is also getting more accessible. Okay, got it. Getting more accessible, so I'm able to provide more value without a lot of cost on my end. So keep building, and thank you everyone that joined, and stay at the end. Bye bye.